going on, everyone? It's Will Mitchell here. I'm sitting today with a very special guest on our channel, Elliot Budd. I've actually known Elliot since, I don't even know, about 10 years old. Yeah. We used to swim in the pool at the Palms, just down the beach from here. So we go way back, but since then, Elliot has become one of the top property managers on the island here of Ambergris Caye in Belize. He's managed the biggest, the best resorts, and now he is the designated recommended property manager for Mahogany Bay. So, Elliot, thanks again for doing this with me, man, and getting more info. I owe you a boat trip.
Absolutely, man. That's why I'm here, you know. I gotta go fishing with you. That's awesome. But, you know, we're here to talk about business and, you know, property management here in Mahogany. Personally, I do enjoy it a lot because it's very easy to work with, you know, all of the owners. My office is actually right here in Mahogany, so I'm here 24/7. You know, as you know, you want a property manager who's always hands-on with anything that needs to get done, whether it comes to, you know, guests, the services, renovations. You know, I'm here for all of that. So I'm working with Will and the team, and you know, we're doing the best we can, and we're moving forward as fast as possible.
You guys got to enjoy this because it's going to cost me a beautiful fishing trip with Elliot. So Elliot, just to kind of start like high level, what is kind of the breakdown of how it works? If someone puts their property in the management pool with you, what's kind of the rental split? What's the high level details of it, and how does that all work?
Sure. So I mean, to get into all the details, is, you know, there's a lot to it, but the general, it's 80-20 off of the gross rental revenue. From what I've seen on the island, that's, you know, you can't really beat that. You know, I give top quality service to the owners and to the guests. I find that to be extremely important, as well as when it comes to communication. You know, as an owner, I know most owners don't live here. So, you know, they like the feeling that I'm always communicating with them. They're not left in the shadows of what's going on. Definitely. You know, whenever there's questions or things that they want to do, I'm always available. So, you know, that definitely helps out a lot. I'm all about trust when it comes to property management. So I want full trust on the owner's side, and, you know, that's how I get it done.
That's step number one, man. Yeah. So 80-20 off the gross income. The Correct. Standard on the island is like anywhere from 50-50 to usually maybe 70-30. 80-20
yeah,
is
from
more
what I've
favorable.
seen, yeah, that's usually what it is. And for all the services that I give, so I include accounting, reservations, marketing. You know, I also, you know, I supervise any maintenance that's being done, so I can arrange a monthly maintenance on your home. Also arrange getting garbage pickups done. Yep. You know, there's just so many things that you gotta think about that I just make it easier for you. I give you a whole layout on it before your house is even done, really. Yep. So, you know, when it comes to also the BTB, which is the Belize Tourism Board, you know, you have to get fully licensed. And that's something that can take a bit of time, but if it's done properly, you know, when it comes to the owners giving me information, you know, and myself getting things done when applying, it's pretty fast, man. I mean, I've got it down to something that makes it very easy on my end and the owner's end. So they know what to expect, and they know that the process can take 2 to 3 months, all right?
Yeah. So let's talk about that a little more. With regards to the BTB and the licensing, like the standard pretty much on the island, if you're buying in a condo, they'll have one tax license for that whole thing. Yes. But what you're doing is unique for owners in the area because they're getting their own tax license. So Correct. What are kind of the benefits of that? I mean, I guess obviously control, you know, being able to know long-term, you're not dealing with other owners that are under the same license. Is there anything I'm missing there, or is it just that cut and dry?
I mean, it's pretty straightforward to the point of, you know, as an owner, the license is all under your name. It will not be under my management name. It'll be under the home, you know? So, you know, when you create your Chapter 250 local company, everything's under that. Yep. So an owner has full control, you know, if they feel that, you know, they might not like the type of management that I offer, completely fine with that. I'm all about being transparent. You know, I'm not for everyone, Yep. but I do like the feeling that they can have a clean cut if they want to, and they can move on. And even if they want to do it on their own, you know, some owners do want to manage their own home, and that's absolutely fine, you know, Sure. and it just helps them in that aspect to where the transition is just much easier.
Yeah, I mean, you guys can do whatever you want within Mahogany Bay. It's really up to you if you want to manage it yourself, but I can tell you one thing. We're sitting in one of the houses on the street here, and when I arrived, Elliot had already arranged for maintenance. They're re-varnishing the ceiling on this balcony here, and it looks stunning. So I know he's on the ball. Even getting him over here for an interview was tough because he's so busy with all these houses. But what about the maintenance of the houses on that note? Is there a reserve that they have to put in? How does that work?
Yeah, so the way I do it is actually much different from other property management systems. What I do is all of the rental revenue is linked to your, as an owner, it's linked to the owner's bank account. So all of it goes to the owner, and then I work out a monthly financial statement to where I submit it to them at the end of the month. And then they have to, obviously reimburse me for whatever expenses have been, paid for through the management company for the home. So in regards to that, the owner would leave a $2,000 deposit, all right, which I would use towards, expenses. But, don't get me wrong, obviously as an owner, I know they want to know exactly where the money's going.
Yep.
Absolutely. As I said, transparency is key. So I would not do anything without the okay of the owner.
Got it.
I have to get authorized, and that's, that's documented through email to, just keep it to where on communication level, we both know what's going on and what's gonna be done.
Absolutely.
All right.
That's ideal, man.
Yeah, so I mean, another great thing is that I have an account in the US to where the owners can deposit the funds. So you wouldn't have to wire or transfer any money to Belize, because that is not easy. That takes quite a bit of time. All right, yeah.
I mean, at this point, like, there's so many benefits there to unpack, like being able as the owner to collect the income and then send, whatever the split back is, complete transparency with the books, all of that stuff. That's huge as an owner, and nowhere in Belize are you gonna find something like that. All of these different things that Elliot's designed have really been about putting the owners in the best position to win. So that's amazing, man. Anything else that we missed here from a property management standpoint that we want to close out with, or did we cover? I
mean, the only thing I can close out with really is if you're planning to do, short term, Mahogany Bay is a great place to be. It's so close to everything. It's on the main street. You got all the utilities, it makes my life and the owner's life much easier, when it comes to all of it, because you can access everything, and everything's maybe 10, 15 minutes away.
Yep.
We got big things going on out here. I know Will talks about it all the time, so I'm looking forward to it as well.
Amazing, man. Well, thank you for doing this, Elliot.
Yes, sir.
Any questions related to property management, guys, please shoot me an email. As always, we can't wait to see you out here in paradise. And if, like I said, any specifics about property management, we have the best. Elliot and his team are the top level, so shoot us an email. We're happy to chat and answer those questions.